Hi guys, this is T.G.B and today I'm going to tell you how to install Custom Rom on any Android phone. So let's begin. Step 1. Downloading. Now you download any Custom Rom which you want to install. Step 2. Reboot to recovery. In your phone, open official TWRP app, TWRP Flash. Now go to More. Now go to Reboot. Now tap on Reboot Recovery. Step 3. Installing Custom ROM. Now your phone will reboot and turn on in TWRP. Now go to Wipe, Advanced Wipe. Select everything except internal storage. Now swipe to clean. Come back. Once again, one last time. Now go to Install and choose the custom ROM which you want to install and swipe to install. Now it will start installing. Now it is installed. Come back again. Now go to reboot. Click on system. Now your phone will reboot. Your phone is turning on and recovery is installed. Thank you.